These are dried blue butterfly pea blossoms, rich in anthocyanin. They can be used to make a medicinal tea. The species that produces these blossoms is native to the Southeast Asian islands, grows well in places like Thailand, but you can also grow it here in the colder areas like us here in Ontario if you grow it like an annual. Give it a little head start inside and put it in a warm spot where it's getting some radiant heat from a brick wall, and you can grow your own butterfly pea blossoms. The pollinators love them, they're beautiful to look at, and then you can dry the blossoms and save them for making tea like this. You can see those rich anthocyanin antioxidants beginning to release into the tea. So eventually end up a bright blue color. And then if you add a drop of lemon juice, it shifts the alkalinity and it color changes to pink, which is fun to watch and tastes great too. So I'll take a picture of that when it's complete and show you what it looks like. Blue butterfly blossom tea, color change to pink with a squeeze of lemon.